everyone, it's Tiffany and I am here with these Mega Construx spinners. There are 6 of them here. I believe that's all there is to collect. 2, 4, 6. Yep. There's like a little checklist on the back. There's this one right here. We have this one, which might be my favorite. It just looks so cool. And we have this one. And this one. This one. And then last but not least, this one. This one's really cool too. This is going to be super exciting. You can even stack these and make like one big giant spinner, which is going to be crazy. I am going to speed build these because I think it might take a little bit of time. They look fairly easy, but let's just open one up really quickly. Let's open up this one just to see how many pieces there are. It does say 37 pieces in this one. I mean, that seems like a lot of pieces. Let's see, wait, this one's 34, 34, 46, 37, 43. So let's see. Oh my gosh, yes, that is a lot of pieces. That's okay, it's fine. It's totally fine. Let's check out the little listy thing we get inside. At least it gives us instructions. I mean, I would hope so. So here are our instructions. They seem very easy to follow, so I'm not too worried when it comes to that. And here is the front. It says spinner, collect, and connect. Yeah, see, it shows how you can connect them. So we're gonna just go ahead and start building all of these. I messed up so badly on this one. I'm so upset. So what happened was, I mean, I went with it at the end. Now it doesn't spin or do anything. It just kind of falls apart. So what happened was, okay, put that off. We'll show you what happened. So this bit right here, oh, this one changed. I couldn't get the other one to twist. Okay, hold on. Wait. Repair time. Is it this one? Yeah, see this one. I even have like marks on there because I had pliers and I was trying to get this pipe out of here. Oh my gosh. You guys, I cannot believe this is happening right now. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. Okay, I guess we're getting fixed now. I mean, I'm happy about that, but I can't believe I spent a lot of time trying to, oh wait, did I put this on the wrong end again? Oh wait, yeah, I did it again. So they would need to go here, right? Sorry, now I'm just getting confusing. Now I need to put it right here. Okay, all right, okay. Let's see if this will actually work. Come on. Let's see. Oh, these things are rolling away. So anyway, these are pretty cool. Like, I am so hyped for these, you guys. You don't even know. These are the coolest fidget spinners ever. All right, now that that's solved, let's see if I can, well, let's take this out so it stops spinning. And then we'll install these, and then this should work. Nope, that's gonna fall out. I'll tell you, these spikes, they don't want to stay in. They don't, but that's okay. No, something's wrong. Is it right? I don't know. Is this right? Doesn't look right at all. I think maybe because those are facing downward. I don't know, can I twist them up? Would that make a difference? Oops. Falling apart. I think that's right. I mean, it's not spinning at all, but hey, I got it to kind of work a little bit. Anyway, now that I've wasted your time just trying to fix that, these are all of our spinners, and they all actually spin pretty decently. I think this one is the best spinning one, 100%. I mean, they're no fidget spinner, like they won't go and go and go. And then you can attach them like this. I'm afraid to attach them because I won't get them apart again. So look, ah! You guys, these are so cool. Then you can attach all of them. Let's see if I can do this. We're gonna attach all of them. You kind of already saw them all. Oh my gosh, it's happening. Okay, yeah, this is the last one. There we go. We got our stack of spinners. Can I spin them? Yay! I can't spin them like this. I need someone else to just come in and spin them. But this is so cool, you guys. Look at all of these spinners. I'm really excited. These were such a fun little activity. You will have to leave me a comment below and let me know which of these spinners is your favorite. Like I said, this one is the best one for movement, so that's my favorite for movement. Like, it's almost comparable to a real spinner. My favorite for looks, though, is this one I kept messing up. Anyway, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I post new videos every single day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!